Happy Monday, Motivation Monday, and I have been motivated today. Cleaned the bathroom, organized my craft table. Greg got the groceries and we put them away for a whole month.
$280 worth.
And I vacuumed the floors. Bed is made. So I thought I would show you a different view of our apartment. This is our big backyard. There's Kitty Cat.
There's Greg. Hello.
But then we go in this way, and we have a tarp up here because we don't have like a cover and we smoke out back, so it keeps the sun off of us because it is hot in California. Okay, you go in the back door, and this is our little kitchen, and I do mean little. Our fridge, our washer's in the kitchen. No dishes in the sink. A pot of coffee is brewing. And then I made this, I found an old window frame that someone was throwing out, and I put chicken wire on it, and so I keep some of my crafty stuff up there and motivation. Our teeny little stove.
Yeah.
It works though. It gets the job done. You just can't put a very big pizza in it. Greg keeps his work schedule there. And then, as you come in here, I call this our laundry room because our dryer's in here. But it's like a walk-in closet. And I just recently moved all of my craft paper, my scrapbook paper, out of this ottoman, which is where I keep my paper and my embellishments that I'm currently using for this season. So I keep those in there now. And I organize all my paper right up here. And this is kind of organized chaos back here, but it's my mailing supplies, some projects I'm currently working on, some sticker books. I have a coat rack up here. But it's a pretty good storage space. And then even when you come in here and you turn around, there is storage all the way up and around the top. So it may be a one-bedroom apartment, but it does have sufficient closet space. And then you go into our living room. And this is Greg's couch. He just always sits there, and that's his thing. And then I always sit on this couch over here in front of the window. And then this is my crafty planner table and then you'll see underneath here some storage. I keep all my things I use all the time. Over here are my craft and planner carts with all my sticker books back there. The second shelf in the back has my inserts for my personal planner, project life cards down there in those boxes, and then a couple of sticker albums, more project life cards that I use. As you can see, I fractured my pelvis a couple years ago. I've never been the same. I can sit for a little while, and then I have to lay down for a while. And then I have to get up for a while. Then it goes to our front door, and we just have a little postage stamp of a front yard. But as you walk in the front door, this is what it looks like. This over here is a craft cabinet full of it's just an antique cabinet full of craft supplies. I keep my laminator back here. I have a Cricut now, so I have to find a place for that. I always have a candle burning if I'm home. Memory Dex cards and my washi, which I've really purged and gotten rid of. My good washi is kept Up here, I call it my good. It's like Simply Gilded and planner press and stuff. These are my packages that need to go out. And then, of course, our file cabinet. This little cabinet has, in the top drawer, it has note cards, and then ribbon, and then mixed media, and the bottom one is acrylic paint. We have a huge TV. And then we're supposed to be getting a hall light because it's dangerous for me because since I fractured my pelvis, it gets my balance off. So I need a hall light. This is where I keep all my clips, which I really need to purge some of those. And then we have, let me turn the bathroom light on. We have a little hall closet here, and one half is my like winter clothes, and then there's one half that is Greg's, and then the rest of it's just storage. Keeps his tools in here and such. So we have that. We keep all our towels there. I found an old drawer that someone was throwing out, and I turned it into a shelf. And it's just my extra mouth products that are prescribed, some of my prescription medicines and stuff. And then there's a closet right next to this. And this is a craft closet. I have storage up in the very top. We keep our winter coats because you don't really need them much in California. Extra planners and binders are back there. Just all kinds of, I keep extra ephemera for each season in here and in some of these drawers. Mixed media in that drawer. And then makeup in my hair dryer. Shipping supplies here. And then we have our little bathroom, which I just cleaned it, so because I didn't want to come in and have you look at the mirror and it be all nasty. But so this is our little bathroom. And then the last room is our bedroom, which is pretty big. This is my side, of course, and my little table. A lot of storage under the bed and back under that table. I mean, it's a decent sized room. It's a decent sized apartment for a 1-bedroom. And then I have my dresser, Greg's dresser, a bookcase, all of his ties. And then we have like a double door closet. And all of his clothes go on that side, and all of mine go on there. Extra purses and my boots up at the top. And there's a hanger on the door for my shoes. And then we have a little space heater here. And then in next to my couch, we have a space heater. We never turn our gas heater on. It costs too much. We don't have to pay the electric in our apartment, so really the only thing we use our gas for is our water heater and our stove and oven. So that is our little apartment.
Hello.
And then my next video I'm going to do is my 200 subscriber giveaway challenge. And I will show you the prize and give you all the rules for that. So have a wonderful Monday and a wonderful week.